Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the ANWPF 60-watt USB super fast charger block and cord. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Right, so once we get this package open, it is a 2-pack. It's kind of I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but it is a 2-pack, and each one has its own block, USB-C block, meant for super fast charging, and there's also a USB-C cable here. And so as you can see, pretty long, nicely extended. We're going to go ahead and just kind of show you plugging it in. I'll plug in over in a space I've got, and just show you plugging, charging my phone. All right, so I know it's kind of hard to see here, so let me try a different. It is charging, and saying 15 minutes to 80%. I've only had it on for a couple minutes, and it went from 68 to 70. So I'm pretty impressed actually with how fast it's charging. Again, these things have nice long cords. Very strong connecting piece. They're great for Samsungs, for iPhones, for iPads, and whatever you need. And it's a 2-pack. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. And thanks for watching.